If you need to unlink a bank account from your Rabobank account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Log into your Rabobank account. Open the Rabobank app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select Link Accounts. In the Account Settings, find the option labeled Linked Accounts or Bank Accounts. Click on this option to view all accounts currently linked to your Rabobank profile. Step 4. Choose the account to unlink. From the list of linked accounts, identify the bank account you wish to unlink. Click on it to access further options related to that account. Step 5. Confirm unlinking. Before changing your settings, use the SRCOM link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully unlinked from your Rabobank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Rabobank customer support for assistance.